Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is get into your Snapchat and see if that is enabled in dark mode or not. So now you see that it is not in dark mode at all. So what you can do right now is to go back, get into settings and check whether your phone settings are enabled in dark mode or not. So I would simply check whether it is night mode or not, but hopefully it is night mode, but yet the phone is not showing us the dark mode. So what we can do eventually is go into our Play Store and search for OneShade. If we download it, what would happen is basically everything would turn into OneShade. Even the notifications and all those stuff would be turned into OneShade. So this is how we enable dark mode on Snapchat. I think you guys like the video, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe on the channel. Till next time, peace.